Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to shut down and restart your iPhone 14. In the earlier days it was pretty easy. You had a power off and power on button and you just pressed it, and when you pressed it then alright, Siri appears. So it is not very good what Apple has done here. Alright, so if you want to shut it down, it will just start Siri. So you have different ways how to do this. So the first way is you press the power off and on button and the volume up button simultaneously, and then you let it go, and you have here a slide to power off, and then you can power off your iPhone. All right, so this is the first way. Of course, you can also use the volume down button. Here you press them both, and then you have again slide to power off, and you can power off your device. These two options you have. There's also a second one, so you can just press up, down, and then power off, and then you have here only the slide to power off. All right, so volume up, volume down, and here. So we have three different ways how to do it. But what do you do if the buttons aren't working anymore? So how can you do this? Well, it's also pretty easy. You go to your settings, and when you are in your settings, you go to general. And in general, when you go way down, you have also here the option to shut down, and then you have also the slide to power off. All right, so those people of you who are asking, okay, all right, I can shut it down, but how can I restart my device? Well, there's also a way to do this. If you want to restart your device, all you have to do is just to press here the volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. So I'll just press up, down, and I hold the button, and then you can see here slide to power off, and I still press the button here on the right side, and then it will shut down. And when it comes up again and you see the logo here, then you let go the button. This is a so-called soft reboot, and then you can automatically reboot your device. And the good thing is, when you do this, there is your iPhone 14 also does some background checks, and if everything is working, and so on and so forth. And after that, like every time, you can just type in your passcode and you're ready to go. So I think I showed you 4 ways how to shut down your iPhone 14 and 1 way how to restart it. Alright, I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.